This is our guide on how to make two-stroke fuel. So we're at the petrol station getting 1 litre, which is the capacity of the Sealey bottle. 1 litre of petrol. We went for the Supreme, costing £1.56. Heading back, then we've got the 3 items. We've got on the left, we've got the Morris two-stroke mix. In the middle, we've got the Sealey 1 litre mixing bottle. And on the right, we've got the pipette style turkey baster. Now, this is 1 litre in capacity, and the rest of the bottle is used to put the two-stroke oil in, depending on your mixture. The mixture is in millilitres, that's what the ratios stand for. So 1 litre of fuel to 50 to 1 is 50 millilitres of two-stroke oil to 1 litre of petrol, 40 millilitres of two-stroke oil to 1 litre of petrol, and it goes down from there. So currently we're mixing 50 to 1. This is the turkey baster, costing around £2 from B&M, and this is what I'm going to use to draw the fuel. So we take the cap off because I've slightly overfilled it from the fuel line, squeeze the red top of the turkey baster, and that will push the air out. And then when you release it, it will draw the fuel up. So we're just going to draw the fuel up, and then you can dispose of it. As you can see on the left, that is the line that you need to draw the fuel to. So if it's too high, you take a bit out, and if it's too low, you put a bit more in. And then you take the lid off the two-stroke oil, and then you tip it to whatever ratio you're running. So if it's a quad bike, moped, lawnmower, etc., they'll all be different. So it'll tell you on the device what you need to fill it up as. So currently we've filled it 50 to 1 because we've got a Suzuki LT50, which takes 50 to 1. And there we go. And that is like a nice black currant. You do need to give it a bit of a shake. So once that's in there and up to the correct level, as you've seen on the photo, then you just put the cap back on and give it a quick shake, and it should turn fully red. And then that's when you know it's the correct mixture. And it's just quite as simple as that. So hopefully that helped you. And any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you.